The AI PC era is upon us, and we're leading the way with the Intel Core Ultra processor that accelerate demanding AI workloads and fit into laptops that you can take anywhere. Core Ultra processors codenamed Meteor Lake have 3 engines to execute AI. The CPU is ideal for low latency inferencing. The NPU is designed to run sustained AI workloads at low power. And the built-in Intel Arc GPU offers high throughput for demanding work like image generation. We're also working closely with larger software ecosystems to ensure that AI models, APIs, and applications are optimized to use these engines effectively. But there's much more to Meteor Lake than AI. The disaggregated architecture puts key functions on separate tiles that can be turned off to extend battery life. Performance cores and efficient cores on the CPU tile are joined by the new low-power E-cores. The GPU also draws from our experience in discrete graphics to raise the bar in media playback and gaming. And essential features like Thunderbolt 4 are built in, so you can plug into a wide range of devices with the simplicity of a single port. We work closely with our partners to go a step further with Intel Evo Edition laptops that are engineered to do it all. When you see a notebook with an Evo Edition badge in it, you can be sure it has been rigorously tested to earn the seal of approval. These laptops have surpassed over 75 premium standards like high performance, all-day battery, fast charging, and almost instant wake from sleep. Intelligent collaboration is another focal point, so you can look and sound your best on video calls. Intel Evo Edition laptops meet new minimum standards for webcam quality and can also remove unwanted noise, blur the background, and keep you in frame, all without impacting performance or draining your battery. With the Intel Unison app, you can seamlessly connect to the phones and tablets based on Android and iOS. In addition to letting you quickly answer calls or texts from your laptop and easily transfer files and photos, the latest version lets you wirelessly extend your display to a tablet. You can also use laptops, keyboards, and touchpads to control the tablet, providing faster and more precise input. Our partners put all this goodness into a wide range of laptops with different sizes, form factors, and unique features. Let's look at some of our favorites. First up is Acer's Swift Go 14, which features up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor with 16 cores. Acer takes advantage of the processor's potent AI acceleration to enable its own purified view and purified voice technologies. The former enhances your video calls with automatic framing, intelligent background blur, and gaze correction, while the latter identifies and suppresses unwanted background noises with AI algorithms and a third microphone. Premium pedigree radiates from the aluminum chassis. Open, it's fully extendable 180 degrees hinge, and you're treated to a 90Hz OLED screen boasting full coverage of the DCI P3 color gamut and certification for VESA Display HDR True Black 500. Despite its compact dimensions, the Swift Go 14 sports the right amount of cutting-edge connectivity. You get a pair of Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, a micro SD slot. Optional Intel Killer Wi-Fi 7 is also available if you want to plug into the fastest wireless networks. The Asus Zenbook 14 OLED is most definitely ultra portable, but is engineered to emphasize performance. The sleek all-metal design measures a mere 14.9mm thin while weighing just 2.8 pounds. Inside, it's powered by our flagship Intel Core Ultra 9 185H CPU that boosts up to 5.1 GHz. Don't let those high-end specs fool you. Even with extra muscle, the Zenbook 14 OLED can last through your workday with a 75 watt-hour battery. Then, when it's time to plug in, fast charging technology gets you back on the road quickly. Asus Smart Amplifier and Audio Booster technologies enhance the Harman Kardon tuned speakers, promising an immersive experience. But it's the 14-inch Lumina OLED that steals the show. Its 3K resolution, 500 nit peak brightness, and adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate come together for vibrant colors, sharp details, and fluid motion. Do you need an even larger Windows desktop for your favorite productivity apps? Well, the Asus Zenbook Duo packs 2 beautiful 14-inch Lumina OLEDs in one flexible clamshell form factor. Pop off the detachable ErgoSense keyboard and extend the Zenbook Duo's kickstand to enjoy a 19.8 inches of workspace on the go. A pair of 3K displays is just great when you're multitasking across different applications, and for that you need performance. The Zenbook Duo is available with up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor. Asus feeds this engine with up to 32 GB of high-octane, low-power DDR5X memory and a 1TB PCI Express SSD. A special heat spreader between the motherboard and lower OLED panels helps dissipate the heat. Add a pair of Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, plus Wi-Fi 6E to keep you connected, and you have the amenities of a modern desktop in a compact laptop with impressive battery life. Dell's XPS 13 combines the speed and efficiency of the Core Ultra processor family in a conveniently compact 13-inch form factor. It's built to go anywhere and do anything. A machined aluminum chassis is available in platinum or graphite for a sleek, minimalistic look. The display is covered with Gorilla Glass 3 to protect against the rigors of working on the go. You can build yours with an Intel Core Ultra 5 125H, Core Ultra 7 155H, or Core Ultra 7 165H processor, all with a built-in Intel Arc graphics. RAM memory capacity will go up to 64 GB, and SSD options are as large as 2 TB, making the XPS 13 a true mobile workstation. Dell even offers a trio of display choices including FHD+, QHD+, or a gorgeous 3K OLED panel. Every XPS 13 includes a quad-speaker sound system, dual Thunderbolt 4 ports with power delivery, a 1080p camera with dual array of microphones, and an Intel Killer Wi-Fi 7 wireless. If you ever wish for a laptop with the flexibility of a tablet, or a tablet with the performance and functionality of a laptop, the HP's 2-in-1 Spectre X36014 should be on your short list. Of course, the Spectre's most eye-catching feature is its 360-degree hinge, which transforms the system from a laptop to a tablet. HP's 3K multi-touch OLED with edge-to-edge glass and a 120Hz refresh rate ensures a premium experience in either mode. Join video calls through HP's Y-Vision 9-megapixel IR camera for impeccable professional picture quality. And don't worry about those little messes in your office. Windows Studio Effects, accelerated in hardware by Intel AI Boost technology, handles auto-framing, background blur, and eye contact correction to keep focus on you. HP's SmartSense also uses AI to monitor the Spectre's X36014's telemetry, making adjustments as needed for responsiveness, battery life, and long-term hardware health. Configure the Spectre X36014 with your choice of an Intel Core Ultra 5 125H or Core Ultra 7 155H, up to 32 GB of memory, and an SSD with up to 2 TB of storage. The LG Gram 16-inch is great if you want a bit of extra screen space or a roomer keyboard to type on, but it maintains the slim profile and lightweight construction characteristics of the other Intel Evo certified designs. In fact, it weighs just over 2.6 pounds and measures a little bit more than 0.6 inches thin. LG's formula is simple. Optimized around the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, offers 16 or 32 GB of ultra-fast, low-power DDR5X memory, and differentiate with a handful of SSD options, topping out with a pair of 1 TB drives. The Gram also features a crisp IPS panel with a 2560 by 1600 resolution, available in touch and non-touch trims. You can use the Intel Unison app to share files and work across Android and iOS devices. Or take advantage of LG's own GramLink software for easy file sharing, collaborative screen viewing, and real-time communication. Do you have one of those friends who does everything to the extreme? That's Lenovo's ThinkBook 13X Gen 4. Its half-inch profile is ultra-thin. It's also ultra-light, weighing just 2.2 pounds. And since it's available with up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor, there's no doubt that it's ultra powerful. This ThinkBook doubles down on AI with Lenovo's own LA3 chip, which employs machine learning to optimize performance and battery life. Of course, the neural processing unit inherent to Intel Core Ultra processors efficiently accelerates your favorite Windows Studio Effects and sustained AI workloads. It's impressive that Lenovo fit a 74-watt-hour battery into a 13-inch ThinkBook. But again, everything about this power-packed platform is a little bit extra. Its 2.8K touch-enabled display is surrounded by super narrow bezels, yielding a 97% screen-to-body ratio. Its low-power DDR5X memory operates at a screaming 8,400 MB transfers per second, and it fits 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports for a bit more connectivity. The Lenovo Yoga 9i comes packed with up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, and while it's a little thicker than the ThinkBook 13X, it has a few more tricks up its sleeve to get your creative juices flowing. First and foremost, it's a 2-in-1, meaning you can open it like a traditional laptop or fold its lid 360 degrees to create a tablet. The backlit keyboard adds a row of quick keys for launching your favorite apps, and a magnetic digital pen captures inspiration on the fly, whether you're drawing or taking notes. High fidelity is at the top of the Yoga 9i's priority list. It's available with either a 2.8K or a 4K touch-enabled OLED, both featuring display HDR True Black 500 certification. A 4-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system is tuned for immersive Dolby Atmos spatial audio, and a 5-megapixel IR camera augmented by Windows Studio Effects keeps your video calls looking crisp. MSI's Prestige 16 AI Evo speaks to the power user crowd through an especially high-end spec sheet. It's available with up to a Core Ultra 9 185H with built-in Intel Arc graphics, up to 32GB of low-power DDR5X memory, 2TB of solid-state storage, and an optional 4K OLED. Wi-Fi 7 is standard, and some models even include Gigabyte-class Ethernet. Those enthusiast-oriented configurations are housed in a magnesium-aluminum chassis produced by an advanced thixomolding process for lighter, stronger panels. Despite its massive 99.9 watt-hour battery, it weighs a modest 3.31 pounds. MSI trains the Prestige 16 AI Evo's substantial hardware resources on maximizing the benefit of AI. Its own AI engine detects running workloads and makes real-time adjustments to optimize performance. MSI's AI Artist software generates images from text-based prompts, similar to Stable Diffusion, but without the need for an internet connection. The Prestige 16 AI Evo 16-inch form factor makes it plenty of room for I/O. Two Thunderbolt 4 ports support Power Delivery 3.0, which works out well since MSI includes a 100-watt charger. An HDMI 2.1 port will drive the 4K monitor on your desk at up to 120 Hz. You also get an SD card reader, one USB 3.2 Type A port, an audio jack, and depending on the configuration, an RJ45 connector. Samsung's Galaxy Book 4 Pro serves up plenty of I/O too, even in its smaller 14-inch form factor. Two Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI 2.1 connector, a USB 3.2 Type A, a headphone out, mic in combo jack, and a micro SD slot all fit along the edges. At under half an inch thin, that's not a small feat. Inside the compact Galaxy Book 4 Pro, you'll find up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor with 14 cores and a 4.8 GHz peak turbo boost clock rate, Intel Arc graphics, and a dedicated NPU for accelerating AI workloads. You also get up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X memory and up to 1 TB of solid-state storage. Standard features include a vibrant 3K AMOLED touch-enabled display with a 120 Hz refresh, a 63 watt-hour battery, Samsung's own Knox security framework for keeping your data safe, a 1080p webcam, and 4 AKG speakers with Dolby Atmos surround sound technology. Light, compact, and powerful, Samsung's Galaxy Book 4 Pro is perfect for productivity on the go. Intel's Evo Edition certification means that all 10 of these laptops are tuned for peak performance. They run cool and quiet. They wake from sleep and almost instantly, and they are optimized to deliver amazing battery life. And with Intel Core Ultra processors humming at their heart of these devices, you'll be equipped to take advantage of the emerging experiences that will define the AI PC era. Check the links in the description below this video to see some of the ways that Intel and our partners are already leveraging Meteor Lake's AI engines and capabilities. Thanks for joining us today. You can stay plugged in by subscribing to Intel Technology and clicking the bell icon for updates on our latest videos. And do follow us on X at Intel Tech. Thank you for being here with us. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.